Presenting Oppo A15s smartphone in rainbow silver. It comes in a size of 7.5 into 0.8 into 16.4 centimeters and weighs 120 grams. It is also available in fancy white, and dynamic black. The smartphone comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. It is also available in 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage and features dual nano 4G SIM. The 6.52 inches touchscreen comes with HD Plus display and a resolution of 1520 x 720 pixels. It has rear fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock, and is equipped with 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple camera and 8 megapixel AI beautification front camera. The smartphone runs on ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10 operating system. 4230 mAh lithium-polymer battery providing talk time of 29 hours and standby time of 323 hours. The box includes the smartphone, USB cable, adapter, SIM tray ejector, protective case, booklet with warranty card and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.